So this is just a recording to summarize the trading that we took today. Today we disclosed that we were trading an evaluation, copy trading it along with this simulation account. And unlike I think it was yesterday or the day before where we lost the account, we actually had a gain in the account. But let's see. So we'll show the evaluation account. Only took one trade, and we were successful. Now let's have a look at what we did here today in our main account, which is a simulation account. There's our P&L, but P&L doesn't tell the story. It was a hard-fought day. Started pretty well. So let's just start where we were out the gates. Out the gates, we had saw prices breaking down. We decided to take a short just there. We used the default stop and target was hit. So start of the day, we started pretty good, and we were actually up to our equity high. So we were up to 1171, and that was 5 minutes into the day. So I didn't want to end the stream there. So I kept watching the market. I stopped on the evaluation. Kept watching the market, and what I eventually did was prices came back strongly bullish, decided to go long, had to get out for a loss, went long again, got out for a loss, went short, and took profit. So just through here now, after prices interacted with this 965, which acted as support, we decided to, what was it now? I think we went short on this candle. Decided to get out and go long based on the inverted hammer followed by a bullish candle. That has been stopping me out last week, past couple of weeks. So I thought we would see that reversal. Prices sold off, had to get out for a loss. Prices came down. I believe this was a 3CS trade, went long, prices flushed, got out for a loss, went short, did not mark out all the levels here on the chart, because it was a level at 1275, didn't have them all marked out, and prices came, went into my target, went to my favor quite a bit. Target was down at I believe 92.75. Held through this 32 points of pullback, held, and then eventually got out here for a loss from our entry, from my entry. Got out for a loss, and I was somewhat worried about possibly drawing in the account too much. But I thought, well, seeing as prices came down strongly, starting to reverse, in the context of the news that happened, and we went up, maybe we'll see this market reverse. I thought, well, maybe about 40 points, 30 points to the liquidation of the account. So went long, had the level around, so decided that if we saw bearishness around 65, I'd get out. Liquidation was about 70 if we'd have held the short. Got out on weakness, decided to flip short, and had to get out for a loss as prices closed back bullish. Went long, and through here made a series of trades, eventually drawing down the account through longs and shorts. Eventually took this short here on a 3CS short, hit target, went long, and this one we decided to get out of it because didn't like the fact that prices came up went higher, came close to my target of 801.50, closed strongly bearish, was pushing down, so I got out, got back in, and again more selling, so I got back out for a loss through there. Looks like we went short here, so it would have been stopped out. Trying to figure out what happened here. Took far too many trades. I think we were short. Where was that short entry actually? Short there. Oh, I see. So from the short we hit target, then we got a finger revolver signal. So we hit target, revolver signal, went short. The second bullish candle, closing strongly bullish, decided to get out of that short for a loss. Went long and decided to get out for a loss again. No, sorry, went short there. So went short, got out for a long, went short. Prices went bullish again, got out for a loss, and then eventually I was frustrated. We're in this range. I was going positive and positive on the day, negative, positive, negative, drawing down huge amounts, and that was represented by that wrong thing. This was represented by the equity curve here. Went positive, pulled back, went negative, and so on. So eventually went into a long, and I said if I get stopped out, I would hold. Initial level we're looking at was 18. I said if I saw bearishness around 18, I would get out. So I got in, held through, prices broke out to the upside out of this consolidation. So trailed aggressively to below the lows around 18. Price came down, took me out. Saw this revolver signal candle, went long. As prices kept pulling back here, finally decided to just adjust my stop to break even actually on this candle. So if we would have gone down a bit lower on the open of this bullish candle, would have been stopped out for break even. After being a little frustrated how long the price was taking, eventually we had a breakout here and prices hit the target of 35. Went in 1-to-1. I think I was using a 12-point stop, 12-point target on that trade, and we hit the target. Got a level at 40 there. I didn't take any of these trades. I was done for the day, and that was the there for the day. So as we can see, we got all the way up to 40, 5 points higher, pulled back, and currently consolidating around this 40 period here. No, sorry, this level of 18,040 with a low pullback low around 22.25. The dot level at the time was around 64. Of course, we haven't got there, but this 18,040 has been a strong resistance and support, and that's where we're going to wrap it up. So we'll just have a look over here at our equity curve. Equity curve, as we can see, cumulative net profit. So we were up, we drew down massively, pulled back positive, and drew down again pretty deep before battling back and closing out here where we are. Let's just have a look. So that 11:30 till 12 period, Eastern Standard Time, a very difficult period right there. There's that big trade that we held. We held for most of the gains. As you can see, it's bigger than the losers there. And on the summary page, there's our win. That's where we end the day. A lot of churning here, as you can see, a lot of churning. Profit factor nearly 1. So while positive, wasn't a great profit factor there. A real hard battle. Winning percentages come down, but that's helped in terms of the average winner, average loss. Those are close together. In the past, average winner was 3 times smaller than the average loser, so we're closer to 1 here at 90.96. Largest winner, as we can see there, but 29 points. Largest loss being around 15 points here. And that's where we'll wrap it up. So another hard battle today. We did have the news come out at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I looked at the news. It was pretty. In terms of looking at the news, what I was looking at was let's see. I was looking at the volatility that came into the market after the news. It's big volatility here, from 866 all the way up to 18,070. So a couple hundred points there off that. Couple hundred points there off that, and I didn't even actually see what the news was. What was the news at 8:30 today? PC, so core PC, so it's an inflation type metric. Don't think it was a joke. Core PC came in at 0.4. Previous was 0.1. Forecast was 0.1. So came in line with expectations. Year over year 2.8. So PC, that was the driver there, and that pretty much wraps it all up. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, think about liking, and if you're not subscribed, think about doing that as well.